Yo, what'd you get? What'd you get? Is that a dandelion? Huh, buddy? Tigo. And there's another one. No. Hina. Hina. Tigo, where are you going? Yeah, that's not nice on toes. Come on, sweetness.
Tennis ball.
Yeah. She loves balls. She does.
Does she like one?
Oh, she would. She would love one. Look at that. She's trying to get underneath the fence.
Oh, you like a ball, babe? Here, I'll give you this one.
Look, sweetie, and it matches your outfit.
Oh, now you see.
Yeah, he wants it.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Hey.
They look like they could be twins.
They are twins. Yeah.
Goo-goo, that's a doggy. That's a doggy goo-goo. Hi. You are so cute. How old are you?
She's a year. They're a year.
Are they both girls?
Boy and a girl.
Boy and a girl.
Yeah.
I had twins.
You did.
2 girls.
Lovely.
33.
33, yeah. It goes by quickly. Here comes your ball, Mahina. Here comes your ball.
The girl's so fast. Look what I have for you, beautiful girl. Would you like that?
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Nice.
Oh, she's got it. Good job.
Nice. How long have they been walking?
About almost 2 months.
2 months.
They're about a year.
Started.
Yeah.
Look at the
And they were
puppy.
preemies. 30 weeks.
30.
Yep.
When did they come home?
They came home at 35 and 1 for him and 36 and 3 for her.
Yeah, mine were in ICN for 10 days.
Yeah.
But they were term. So you did great.
Yeah,
They're
they're
early
doing
for
great.
preemies. They're
Yeah.
doing fabulous.
Oh, they're doing really well.
Yeah.
I'm very proud.
Yeah.
There's Tigo. Well, thank you so much for the ball. Yeah, thank you for sharing your doggies.